How to set up a SIM pin on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to enable and set a SIM pin on your iPhone to protect your mobile network access. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to settings and then you're gonna click on the cellular option over here. So once you click on cellular, you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see an option that would say SIM pin. So simply click on SIM pin. Here you can see that it is toggled off. However, if you have SIM pin active right now, you'll be able to see that the toggle button would be green. So you can simply click on it and it would turn green. Now you're going to enter pin to lock SIM and there are 3 attempts remaining. So by default, the SIM pin lock is 000 and then you got to click on done, and now you can see that this was the SIM pin and this is a default SIM pin that is universal on every iPhone available. So after that, you got to click on change pin and then you can type down the current pin. So the current pin is the default pin that is for every iPhone, that is 4 times 0, and then click on done, and now you got to type down the new pin. So I'm going to type in the new pin and then click on done and then type in once again to confirm the pin, click on done, and now your pin has been confirmed. Now what basically would happen is that when you restart your phone, after you type down your device pin, you'll be asked to type down your SIM pin, and if you're not able to type down that SIM pin, you wouldn't be able to use your SIM. So that is really good for privacy, that if your phone gets stolen and if someone really knows your phone's pin but they don't know your SIM pin, so they wouldn't be able to use your cellular network. So that is basically how to set up a SIM pin on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.